Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC Coupe exclusive edition. This one is a ruby light red metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo pushing out 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, diamond style grille, elegant high gloss light brown sunwood trim with a Designo porcelain espresso brown exclusive Napa leather interior, porcelain Dynamica headliner, panorama sunroof, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, multi-contour seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, climate control, exclusive edition badging, hard keys for the radio and media display, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. This S560 Coupe has 6,949 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.